Yeah, number A, activity 10. Now shoot. Martin, making noise. So number A, that's in. Oh, number A. Consider the following data. Finally, 2, 5, 7, 9, 12, 13, and 15. So that how is it in ascending order or is it not in ascending order? It's in ascending order. So the first question they say determine the 5 number summer. So you have your minimum. Minimum you have guy. You have 2, right? Then you have your maximum. You have guy. You have 15. Then you have your Q1. Q1 you how? You have guy. 5. Okay. Q1 how it's 5. Then you have your Q2. 9. Then you have your Q3. Then below 5 number. Then no so banyak box and whisker. So more box and whisker how minimum ya we said give right. K2 so wala mode. Minimum how it's 2. So your minimum is 2, your maximum is 15. Yes. Yeah, let's say somewhere more 15. Then you have your 15 here, enough. Then Q1 how give like 5, enough. Then Q2 how get 9, Then you have 13. So 13, let's call it somewhere. Then box and whisker how it's something like this. Something like this, I have. Then also the next question they say calculate the mean. So you know that mean how at sum of all those values divided by total number of those values. I have. How many values do you have? So n how is 7. I have. Then you have 7. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15. You have
63.
So it means mean how you have 63 divided by 7. Then you have 9. Like whole number 9. So it means mean how 9. So they're saying that how is the data distributed? Explain. So positively, negatively. Sure.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, very like
Oh, so it's symmetrical.
yeah.
Oh.
Symmetrical.
Why? Why so? The mean and the what?
Yeah, equal.
Oh, Lena calculation. Oh, the mean and the median are what? Because QTO get 9, eliminate out 9. The mean and median are what? Then yeah, you get your 7 marks. 7 marks. I don't know. So it's 2, 5, 7, 9 out of 9. Yeah, it's out of 9.